Hi, I'm Jason with Great Lakes Case and Cabinet. As part of most aisle containment solutions, panels are placed across the top of enclosures, and doors are installed on the ends of each aisle. This enclosed area is now able to capture as much conditioned air as possible, or isolate and remove as much exhaust air as possible. Together, Great Lakes ES enclosures and aisle containment doors provide a seamless containment solution. Aisle containment doors feature a quick release function in which individuals inside an aisle are able to quickly exit in case of an emergency. Hinges allow the doors to be pushed open from the inside of the aisle or pulled open from outside the aisle. Doors can also slide open and shut from inside or outside the aisle. Doors are available in black or Advantage White and can be installed on 42, 44, and 48 RMU high ES enclosures. Doors can be installed between aisle widths of 48 to 72 inches. A track bar is installed across the top of 2 ES enclosures. The aisle width will determine which holes on top of the enclosure to position the bar. Doors are then suspended from the bar with a trolley and aligned at the bottom with a door bracket. Brush grommet along the bottom and outer side of the door seal any openings and prevent air recirculation. Great Lakes has helped many of its customers create a unique containment solution, including aisle doors to accommodate other enclosure manufacturers and even single sliding doors for narrow aisles. For more information about aisle containment doors and additional containment solutions, please visit WeRackYourWorld.com.